Once the undisputed king of electric vehicles is now facing a bumpy road. From sliding market share to slumping stock prices, the EV giant is navigating through its most turbulent chapter yet.
According to Cox Automotive, Tesla's grip on the US electric vehicle market is slipping. Once commanding more than 75% of all EV sales in 2022, whereas Tesla's share has now dropped below 50% in 2024.
Despite still being the top-selling EV brand in the US, increased competition from automakers like Ford, Hyundai and Rivian is squeezing Tesla's dominance. And it's not just market share that's causing concern. Tesla stock is also feeling the heat.
Over the past few days, Tesla shares have taken a hit, affected by slumping EV sales, growing tariff pressures, and fresh controversy surrounding Elon Musk. Analyst warns that investor confidence is being tested as the company juggles delays and distractions.
Talk about whether Tesla can retain its innovative edge despite cutting cost in the face of ever-growing competition from both US and global players, especially the Chinese manufacturers like BYD. I think so, it can surely. Tesla is there to stay for a long period. Now, why I say so? Usually when you talk about Tesla, the first thing which comes to your mind is a leader of innovative technology. Of course, there's no doubt that Tesla has been the pioneer on the envisageur and provided the gateway for many manufacturing companies in the automotive space to delve into the EV technology.
Tesla is reportedly working on a more affordable EV model to attract price-conscious buyers. However, Chief Financial Officer Vaibhav Taneja says production will ramp up slower than expected.
So what's next for Tesla? That depends on whether it can overcome internal delays, external pressures, and reclaim its lost dominance before rivals permanently close the gap. From once unstoppable to now uncertain, Tesla's journey from market king to losing ground marks one of its toughest tests yet. As the EV race speeds ahead without a clear front runner and the road forward grows steeper with every mile.